Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create this sweet gingham nail design. Let's get into it. Using the curved side of the Gelous nail file, gently push back your cuticles. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Using the fine side of the nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Pay attention to the sides of the nail and make sure the whole nail appears dull from the buffing. Brush away the buffing dust with a Gelous dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of nail primer and leave to air dry. Apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 2 thin coats of Whiteout, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. On your resin nail art palette, mix Gossip Girl and Top Coat together to create a sheer effect. Paint 2 thick vertical lines on your nail. Using your thin nail art brush and Gossip Girl, paint horizontal lines across your nail. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Gossip Girl and your thin nail art brush, paint over where the lines intersect to create the gingham pattern. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. This design also looks great as a French tip. Thanks for watching!